So this is the hotel we're staying at. The hotel's clean and all. It's in a really good location, you know. But this is the entrance. Get an entrance and then you go to the elevator. So I'm gonna give a room tour. This is the hotel I'm staying at. It's actually pretty small, as you can kind of see. But you know what? It's a really nice hotel. I'm not gonna lie. Right there is a door. There's not much room to walk in this hallway right here. I got lucky and I actually got one of the bigger rooms because my other friends that are here, the room is a little bit smaller, but not by much, but it's still smaller. So you walk in, of course the screws are a mess. I mean, you don't have much space to put stuff, so you got a luggage thing right there, and then you got a work desk, and that's where I put my luggage. And then you got this fridge. This fridge is weird. It has one of those American plugs, you know, and it was not plugged in. So why give us a fridge if you're not gonna plug it in? So the first 2 days, I didn't even know. I was like, why is this not turning on? And we were hitting the switch, and then finally one of my friends was like, did you plug it in? So, you know, I'm thinking it should be plugged in, right? Why do I have to plug it in? But whatever. So I traced the cable and it's not plugged in. And I don't know if you can see, but there's no plug to plug it in. Okay, all of those are just the other type of outlets, and there's no place to plug it in. So lucky we have a converter, so we plug into the converter. It got it working. That doesn't make sense. Why you gonna give us a fridge and not the right plug? And it doesn't work. I don't know, whatever. But they do provide 2 bottled waters every day, so that's pretty cool. I don't drink coffee or tea, as most of y'all know. The view right here is exactly not the best view. I mean, that's the main street we on. So not really a nice view. But this is the bed. I've been sleeping actually pretty fine on the bed, even though it's not the biggest bed, but it works for a single person. Over here, you only have one outlet, one electrical outlet. So make sure you bring like a plug, and you have all your different adapters, especially if you have a lot of USB stuff you need. So make sure you have all your adapters. So they got more countertop right here for space, so it's not too bad. And you got your light up there. You got a top light too. So get your AC by the bed. This is the bathroom. So you do have a normal toilet, you know. Then you have this shower thing, which is pretty cool, and it comes with shower, body wash. I don't know what else it comes with. I don't know because I bought my own stuff. They give you 2 towels. Floor mat. This is your sink. That's me. But one thing they don't give you is a face towel or a small towel to dry your hand on. So you only got 2 body towels, and that's it. They do give you toothbrush and toothpaste if you need it. So that's pretty cool. This is the closet, but it doesn't stay closed. So you don't have that much room in here. When you hang the clothes, you can't hang it straight like this because it's gonna hit the door, so you have to like slant it. You do get an extra pillow. And then this safe is not that safe because I can literally just take it and leave. So it's kind of pointless safe. Do have your drawer here if you want to use a drawer, but I don't know who uses drawer, as I mentioned earlier in another video. Some rooms has a mirror here, some room doesn't. Like I said, I got a bigger room. I'm in 305. This TV. We were watching Men in Black 3. The audio and video was off sync only by 5 seconds. And the other one was by 10 seconds, and the other one was by 20 seconds. The off sync just kept getting longer and longer, so don't watch TV is what I'm trying to say. I don't rely on the TV, but other than that, this room is pretty cool, in all honesty. But yeah, in all honesty, man, this room is pretty cool. I like the room, even though it's pretty small, but it's really not that bad in all honesty, because I'm only here for to sleep, to rest, or to decompress. So I don't need a lot of space. It's not anything fancy like I stayed in last time. In Dallas, that was a nice hotel. That was really relaxing. But if you just want a place to sleep, this is good, man. I think I'm paying like $70 or $80 a night. And now I got a roommate, so we split that. That's like $40 a person. Honestly, if I really wanted to be a little bit more roomy, I could have just paid $80 myself, and I get the whole room to myself, and that would be perfect. So yeah, for a single person, single traveler, this is actually perfect. 2 people, it works. But I like the hotel. There is no breakfast, so this is considered an inn and not a hotel. So they don't have that many amenities. There's no gym. There's no workout room. There's no pool. It's just basically you come here and sleep, and that's it. They do have a vending machine. The vending machine do got some cool snacks and instant noodles. But the location is key here. Location is awesome. Tons of food places by my hotel. Every morning I wake up, I just walk around, find a random shop to eat. So you watch my other vlogs, you can see me eat all the yummy food. But yeah, there's gonna be a Macau series. Make sure you go watch my Macau playlist. See me eat all the food. The majority of the food I eat has been around the hotel and walking distance. Everything in less than a mile. So you eat, you walk, you eat, you walk. So this is a perfect location. I highly recommend you check this out. I think the name is like Tung Fong. I'll put the link and the address down there in the description. But under that, thanks for watching. Peace out. See you next time. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell notification. Show me some love. Thanks for the support, man. Peace out. This is Lou, my roommate, my foodie buddy. We've been traveling around for the past 3-4 days. I don't know. I lost track of time. We've been here so long, it feels like. But what do you think about this room?
Hey, this room is super cool. This place is awesome. It's situated in like a really great spot for restaurants and visiting temples, and also getting to the square and the ruins. Clean. Everything's clean. It's really relatively quiet, and they run the place really well. So super happy with it. I would totally come back.
Yep, no complaints, right?
No complaints.
And this was not sponsored. It would be nice if it was sponsored.
It would be.
I wouldn't mind saving that money.
Yeah.
Yep.
Totally great place though.
Yeah, great place. Next, we'd be going to the harbor view. It would be different from here, but
Yeah.
this place was nice.
It's awesome.
We were at the harbor view last year,
Yeah.
and I think we would recommend this over the harbor
I
view.
would go here hands down over Harbor View, and Harbor View is very nice.
Yeah, you hear that?
Yeah. Harbor View is nice. This is better.
Yeah. Here over harbor view, this is more like the local side. Especially if you want to go to the State Park Room, the Sonata Square, it's literally like a 2 or 3 minute walk, maybe 5 if you're a little bit slower. You got a lot of tourist not tourists, local food here. You go to the harbor view, it's more about the casinos over there. I guess if you want to gamble, that would be good. But if you're gonna gamble, you might as well stay at the casino.
Yep.
Yeah, so stay here if you want to come to Macau.